we all have this call cliche, objection handling and stuff like that, right? But can you tell me on how I can implement objection prevention, something like that?
Yeah, objection prevention, that's kind of what I like to focus on in my process all the time, objection prevention. So you asking specifically how to prevent them in a general context or anything
Ex
specific?
yes, exactly. General specific, yeah.
Like general, okay. So yeah, when it comes to objection prevention, the biggest thing is to make sure that you're looking for the right things on the call. If you're just looking to go through your script, make sure you follow it correctly, then you're not going to listen to the prospect properly and you're going to miss all the red flags. So first of all, understand the why behind why you're asking the questions from the script and figure out what you actually want from the prospect. What are you trying to identify and determine? The big thing is always red flags in decision making. That's always what I look for when I'm on calls, right? So if a
Mm-hmm.
person that I notice, he's been, in his job for the last 6, 7 years. He's been looking at things online for the last 1 year. Like, what is a red flag there from that person, would you say?
Um, I would say that he hasn't done anything for the past year.
Hasn't
Yeah,
done anything. He's just been
yeah,
looking around, right? So that's a
yeah.
problem. For me, what that then shows is the way that he makes decisions is slow, ineffective, and it doesn't get him to an ideal result, right? He's
Mm-hmm.
focused more on like the procrastination side of things, and he's let things get in the way, right? So his mindset around making a decision.
I see.
Pardon
I
me.
see.
So I'd focus on
Interesting.
that originally. Yeah, the big thing is really looking out for like what you're going to find as far as challenges where you can bring up potential objections is
Mm-hmm.
their past. Their past will enable you to find challenges that you can challenge on. You can't find challenges necessarily, you can from their present situation. Not really their future, of course, but it's more from what they've done. That's going to be really key is understanding what they've done because what they've done hasn't led to an ideal result. That's why you have the ability to call them. Otherwise, they wouldn't
I
have submitted their information. They'd have solved their problems by now. They'll be totally fine. So that's what you want to have a deeper dive into is their past, what they've done, more in their situation. So yeah, that's how you can prevent objections, diving into the weeds of what they've done in the past.
I see. Thank you so much for that. Clearing out, Taylor. Thank you.
That's all right, mate. Anytime.